Welcome back, everyone. We are doing a twist on a classic. We're going to make a Bananaretto. We're going to start off with 0.75 ounces of egg white. Because again, Juliana doesn't crack eggs. I'm too lazy. Then 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. A teaspoon or a bar spoon's worth of Demerara syrup. If I can get it to come out. Excuse me. 0.75 ounces of Banana Liqueur. 0.75 ounces of Amaretto. And last but not least, 0.75 ounces of Rye Whiskey. Not my dog, the liqueur.
Important distinction.
Very important distinction because he's fuzzy. All right. Because we have that egg white in there, we're going to do that dry shake or mime shake to emulsify the egg.
Want to zoom in on your focus face.
Well, I'm listening to the shaker tin because I can hear when it's done.
Oh, here, I just thought you were trying to not poop.
Okay, who's editing out now?
Nope.
So now we're going to add ice to our smaller of the two shaker tins. And then we're going to shake for roughly another 10 seconds. You may have to go a little bit longer depending on your particular shake. But we want to chill down the cocktail.
Do you listen on those too?
Well, it's kind of hard not to because it's loud as all get out.
I just go by feel. If my hand starts freezing.
Well, that too. And this one, for whatever reason, I don't know why, but this one got really cold really fast. For our rocks glass, we're going to use a big cube. And then we are going to double strain right over the cube. Beautiful.
Of course, we do have huge rocks glasses.
We do have really big rocks glasses. I'm going to have to get some smaller ones because, yes, don't come at me. It's a little short, and it's just because of the glass. Leave my Bananaretto alone. All right, for our garnish, we're going to use a very, very misbehaving lemon twist.
You're going to rip that thing out.
I know. It's really not wanting to cooperate with me. It was a very touchy lemon. Get in there. Haha. So we added our lemon twist, and there we have our Bananaretto with some issues along the way. Of course, I am going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm also going to rate it. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Let's see where we are today. Ooh, that was, I don't know what it is about that lemon. That lemon was aggressive. It's very lemony smelling. Interesting. So, I mean, I love my classic Amaretto sour. However, this one, there's a lot more banana than I was expecting for this one. The banana's right at the forefront. I really don't get a whole lot of the Rye Whiskey. Honestly, I don't get a whole lot of the Amaretto either. Just a hint. I get a lot more banana on this one. Very good cocktail. I do like banana. If you don't like banana, I definitely don't think this will be for you because the banana is right at the forefront. Great cocktail. I really think you might need to dial back the banana just a little bit. My cameraman's like, no. According to me and my palate, I would dial back the banana a little bit, and I might actually up the Amaretto. But that's just my personal opinion. Still a very good cocktail, and I hope you guys, what?
Or you can up them all and fill your glass.
Or you could do that if you don't have the right size rocks glass. I mean, to each their own. So for me, I'm going to have to give this one, I'm going to give this one a 3 out of 5. I know, I'm getting the look. I'm going to go 3 out of 5 just because, like I said, I really don't get the Amaretto as much as I really wish I did. So for me, 3 out of 5. Still a very good cocktail. I'd still have 3 of them at the bar. I mean, I'm just saying, it's still a very good cocktail. Doesn't mean it's a bad one. But ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you guys can give it a try at home. Let me know what your thoughts are by making sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.